And we have Intelligent here. You're the hip-hop vegan. That's what everyone knows you as.
That's right. Hip-hop head since 1988. Vegan since 2000. I edited books written by rappers, published by rappers. My book was featured on Love and Hip Hop. I live and breathe hip-hop.
So what's up, everybody? Shanna G here. Award-winning model since 2006. Vegan since 2018. Featured in fashion shows and commercials, inside magazines and on the cover of magazines, and I've even been written about in an anthology.
We've been together for 5 years.
Bonded through our love for entrepreneurship, health, and entertainment.
I'm a graphic designer for my company, Koozie Arts.
And together we own Uswear, a clothing line that empowers people through fashion.
We're a vegan couple handling business and interviewing business owners.
So watch us prepare vegan food and review vegan restaurants.
And catch us entertaining ourselves through the arts, music, and other activities.
Welcome to Vegan Biz.
The question is, how do we get to this from this? First thing we're gonna need is rice. Of course, we need a pineapple. Raisins, gotta have those for flavor. Carrots. Green onions. And bell peppers, of course, add some color. Can't forget those almonds, we're gonna roast those. And some fresh garlic, get all the nutrients from that. Mushrooms, we do shiitake. Green olives, onions. We got a mix of black beans, kidney beans, red beans, corn, and green peas. First thing we need to do is gut this pineapple, split it right down the middle. Once you got it into 2 parts, you size it up and you get ready to cut the bowl out of the pineapple. So you're gonna have to cut around the sides. You wanna do it sort of like a square, but a little curve to it because the pineapple is curved. To make it easier, you add some slices down the middle and across so you can spoon those pieces out. That's right, get you a nice size spoon and go to work. Now you want to save all of this excess pineapple that you got because we're going to use that to put into the dish. So you put that in a separate bowl. Also the juice, that's going to be added for flavor. You get both of your pineapples, now you're good to go. Of course, this is fried rice. So we're gonna start that off with your rice you frying. And right now, we working 2 woks at a time. So we got fried rice on one side and we got onions on the other side sauteing. Sauteing is simple, nothing special. A little salt on there, that's about it. Your fried rice is gonna add whatever special flavorings you like to do to bring out that rice. I'm adding garlic, I'm adding some other things in there. You do what you do. Then you mix that sauteed onions with the rice, then you throw your carrots in. You get those to sauteing. Shake them up a little bit. Add some seasoning if that's what you're into. Then next you add them shiitake mushrooms or whatever mushrooms you're working with. You're gonna saute those up with the carrots, and then you get your peppers. See the color starting to form. At the same time, you're still working on that rice over there. A little garlic powder. Add that to the veggies. You add now pineapple to the rice without raisins. We working it. Then you add that all in there. Everything is in there now. Peace. It's Intelligent, the hip hop vegan at Vegan Biz.
What's up, everybody? It's Shanna G.
And we live back at you. Y'all just saw us put together the 9th wonder of the world, which is the Takeover Pineapple Rice Bowl. That's one of my newest creations. I named it the Takeover because I'm a hip hop fanatic. That's why I'm the hip hop vegan. And Takeover was a song by one of my favorite artists, Jay-Z. When he came at Nas, and when he dropped that song, the album actually came out on 9/11. He dropped that song. It was just like taking shots at everybody. He was going at Mobb Deep. He was going at Nas, and it just was a barrage of wordplay going at everybody. So with the Takeover rice bowl, pineapple rice bowl, it's just a barrage and a whole bunch of different vegetables and fruit put together. So that's why we call that bowl the Takeover, because when you see it, when you looked at our counter and we showed you all of the ingredients, it just took over the damn counter. And so that's the Takeover. But anyway, for the moment everybody been waiting for, we're going to see what this be about. As I say,
Let's
you know.
get it.
Oh, hold on. Before I stop, I'm not big on going through and crazy, giving you all the specifics on all of the ingredients and the measurements. But it's one thing I left out, which is important if you ever trying to get your fried rice game on. And that's the Maggi. It's an Asian seasoning. It's kind of like in the lane with soy sauce. You know, we also use some light soy sauce. But this and the Maggi is serious. So the Maggi is going to give you that Chinese restaurant type flavor on your rice. So anyway, back to big, more important things, more better things. This pineapple rice bowl. Give y'all a little close up. You know, I got to hit y'all with the close up. The thing's serious. She lucky. I was going to just take hers and just dead her. Anyway, so we garnished it up with some green onions. That's what you got right there. Woo, yeah, that thing full.
Don't let that drop. You can't have mine.
So, you know, we put it in the oven for a little while. And
Let's see what this
we're
be
going
like.
to see what it is.
Let's see what it be like.
Serious. This is it. Serious business. It got that, like I said, because I put a good amount of that Maggi in it, so it got the little Asian Chinese restaurant type of taste. You got your peas, you got your carrots. The roasted almonds is crazy too. That's giving it a nice touch.
Babe, those almonds in it is so good. I'm so happy you decided to put those in like at the last minute. Like, this is serious, y'all.
Yeah.
This is major. And what you call this again?
This is the Takeover pineapple rice bowl.
So why you call it that?
As I just told you, the Takeover was a song that damn near took over until Nas came back and dug off NJ. But the Takeover was just bringing it to you. It was bringing it to Mobb Deep. It was bringing it to Nas. It was just bringing the drama. And that's what this bowl does. When you look at all of the vegetables in there, it's just a takeover. It just takes over the whole bowl. It takes over the counter. It takes over your pan. We cooked 2 woks. It just took over the whole wok. It was just so much stuff. So this is the takeover. And now it's about to take over my appetite. So once again, we urge y'all, try it, you know. Add your flavorings to it, some of your favorite things. I just use some of the things I know that merge good together, threw a little raisins in there, give it a little sweetness, some of the pineapple in there. Then we balance that off with pepper, garlic, you know, so you got to balance it. You know, when you're cooking, it's good to balance those flavors. So you do what you do best, man. Add it, hook your bowl up, you know, post some pictures of it, hit us up. Let's see what it look like, you know.
This is so good. Babe, you did this.
That's what I do.
You did that. You really did.
And the crazy part is, this is my first time making this. I just kept seeing different people doing these pineapple bowls. I was like, damn, I got to try that, you know, because I love doing fried rices and all type of rice dishes. So I said, you know, grab up a fresh pineapple and see what's what. It's crazy because I'm eating part of the bowl, you know, part of the pineapple when I do it. I'm digging in there, getting a little bit of the pineapple. And then there's some pineapple inside of the rice already. I didn't want to overdo it already because you're eating it out of a pineapple. And you don't want to make it too sweet. So, but yeah, we're not going to drag this out too long because we got to knock this off. We ain't going to sit in front of the camera and just make y'all watch us eat this when y'all ain't got this.
Go.
So,
you know what? Would y'all like to have some? Let me give you a little taste. You get a little taste. There you go. That's for you guys.
So once again, thanks for checking us out, riding with us, coming into the kitchen with us. And we'll see y'all around town. I want to say peace. Health is wealth. Make sure y'all follow us. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Catch us on IG at veganbizz. Catch me live on my Instagram, the Hip Hop Vegan. Catch her at Shanna G on Instagram.
I am Shanna G.
Oh, excuse me.
And then also, to make sure you get a notification of when we post our videos, make sure you hit the bell. Okay? We'll see you guys next time on Vegan Biz.
Peace.